Okay, so I'm going to show you a project I did a while back on my free time called, it's just a nonogram puzzle maker that just makes a nonogram puzzle. If you've ever seen what's called pick cross sometimes it's called nonograms. It's just a grid of colored squares that you have to figure out how they're filled in. There's numbers on the sides to tell you how to fill in the puzzle, and you just have to figure it out as you go. Um, yeah, this is the main component of it, which is the board, which is consisting of tiles and what I call tile groups, which is each row or column. You can have lives, or you can choose to not have any lives. Let's see. The state gets refreshed every once, well, not every once in a while, but at certain points in gameplay. And then here's the method to toggle a tile off and on. Did a pretty good job of documenting everything. This is crazy. This is crazy that I did this on my free time, but it was incredibly fun, highly fulfilling to look at something that you enjoy and, be able to spend time essentially creating it yourself instead of just using something somebody else has made. I'm very happy with this. And here is, essentially, I built a demo for this to where you can see how this works. See, you've got a 4 here. That means that in this row there are four colored squares that will be together. And if you look at this column, there's a 1 and a 1. So there's a filled in square, and then there will be space in between it and the next one, and then there will be one more. So to show kind of what that means, I already resolved this, so there we go. There's 4 right there, and it fills in the rest. That's kind of how these puzzles usually work. The difference being, I never programmed this to just not let you unfill things. So that's fine. But for the sake of showing what it is and what it means and what it does, and then if you click here, it's a little red X. That means it's wrong. See, my lives went down from 8 to 9, or 9 to 8, and yeah, I think I can finish filling in some of this. If I remember correctly, I think it's just a smiley face. Yeah, and I didn't make it to where you could do any fun, cool stuff like drag or anything. Yep, just a smiley face. And that's how that works.